Transform your dollhouse into a festive wonderland. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to assemble these adorable Christmas miniatures, including biscuit bags, chocolate boxes, a tiny book and festive jars, perfect for 1/6 or 1/12 scale dollhouses. Let's get started! Hello dear friends! The weather is getting colder every day and it feels like winter has arrived earlier this year. So I've prepared a new Christmas themed file for you to decorate your dollhouse or mini grocery store. First, download and print the Printable Christmas Template from my Etsy shop. As usual, you'll find a free sample sheet in the description of this video. Let's walk through each item step by step. First, print the template. I work in 1/6 scale, so I'll print the first page of the document on cardstock. If you work in 1/12 scale, print both pages on a regular printer paper. My printer adds margins by default, so I'll adjust the scale to 100%. I'll also ensure I'm printing on the correct paper size before moving to print. Next, print the second page of the document on a regular printer paper. This page contains the design for the Christmas cookbook. Prepare the templates. Use a ruler and small scissors or a needle to trace all the fold lines on the packaging templates. This will help create clear folds when assembling. Now let's make the mini jars. Cut out all the elements for the jars. The red jar is for spiced biscuit spread and the green one is for Christmas cream spread. Use a small lipstick or pen to roll the paper strip and form the jar base. Apply glue at the end. Repeat the process for the second jar. I completely forgot to add the cups in the file initially, so I reworked it and even added a design for a hot cocoa jar. Cut out the cups and bottoms of the jars, apply glue to the jar tops and attach the cups. Leave them to dry. Carefully trim the cups into circular shapes and repeat for the jar bottoms. For extra shine and durability, apply a layer of glue on top and let it dry. Chocolate boxes. Cut out the chocolate box template and fold along the lines. Glue the tabs together to complete the box. After making 3 white boxes, I realized they looked a bit plain, so I reworked the design to include 1 green, 1 red and 1 white box for a more festive Christmas vibe. Now let's make the mini chocolates. Cut out the chocolate packaging designs. Using a paintbrush, apply glue to the back of each design. Cut small pieces from a popsicle stick for 1/6 scale or a coffee stirring stick for 1/12 scale. Wrap the wooden piece in the paper packaging and press gently on the top and bottom to secure it. They turned out so adorable. Like the chocolate boxes, fold along the lines of the biscuit bag template and glue the tabs together to form the bags. Now let's make the Christmas dessert book my favorite. If you're working in 1/6 scale, print this page on a regular printer paper, not cardstock, to make folding the pages easier. Fold the tabs of the book cover and glue them down. Attach the cover support template on top. Once the cover is ready, fold the pages accordion style and glue them to the spine of the book cover. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more miniature DIY ideas. Get the printable Christmas template on my Etsy shop, littlemaggishop.etsy.com. The link is in the description. Happy holidays and happy crafting! Bye!